You don't need a team of dozens or hundreds of people, nor a large factory workshop. With just one person and several 3D printers, you can start your own signage factory. This is not hypothetical, but the proven future for small signage factories. Traditional signage factories depend heavily on manual work across design, machining, welding, and polishing, resulting in high labor costs and serious recruitment difficulties. 3D printing streamlines all these complicated steps. A single person can complete the entire workflow from design to production independently, running a signage factory on their own. How exactly does it work? We use a diagram to show the full process, which can be operated entirely by one person. The core steps are as follows. Step 1. Create a 3D model. Step 2. Import the model into slicing software and convert it into a printer-readable file. Step 3. Load the filament and start automatic printing. Step 4. Cut acrylic using the synchronously exported PLT file. Finally, install the LED light strips and pack the product ready for delivery. Simple, efficient, convenient. You may think it's not that simple. Many people get stuck at the first step. Where do models come from? Do you have to learn 3D modeling software or hire a dedicated modeler? Rest assured, our 2D2 3D software is specially designed to solve this pain point. The software has 7 built-in standard processes for the signage industry. Simply import a 2D file or enter text directly, select a process, and the model is generated automatically. Dimensions, character thickness, wall thickness, back plates, acrylic slots, screw holes, stroke bridges, wiring bridges, and even acrylic cutting files are all preset to industry standards. You don't need professional 3D modeling skills, just enter parameters, and you can get a production-ready signage model in just 1 to 2 minutes. Each of these 7 processes has its own focus, suitable for different scenarios and covering most signage applications. Processes 1 to 3 are all frontlit channel letters, with key differences in structural design. You can choose one-piece printing or split printing for easier LED installation. You can also create a whitener, black outer structure to optimize lighting performance, making characters glow more evenly and prominently. Process 4 is specially designed for outdoor illuminated letters. Its flat bezel structure secures acrylic more firmly, greatly improving safety for high-altitude outdoor use. Ideal for outdoor advertisements, building signage, and other exterior applications. Resistant to wind, sun, and rain. Process 5 is beveled lit letters. The beveled angle can be freely adjusted to create a strong 3-dimensional luminous effect, breaking the monotony of traditional flat signage. Process 6 is backlit halo letters. Its biggest advantage is eliminating traditional acrylic, replaced directly by light diffusing filaments and 3D printed in one piece. Field proven to deliver bright, soft lighting while avoiding complicated acrylic installations, doubling production efficiency. Process 7 is flat solid letters. Using colorful 3D printing filaments, you can directly print solid letters in various colors. They can also be polished and painted after printing, flexibly matching different brand color requirements, balancing aesthetics and practicality. With models and processes sorted, mass production is key. For signage makers, efficiency is profit. Our 3D printers must meet these 3 requirements. Large building volume, print multiple small characters at once, or full large characters without splitting, minimizing assembly work. Compatibility with indoor and outdoor materials, enabled by a heated chamber, multicolor printing to eliminate polishing and painting. Speeding up delivery. With these conditions met, the 3D printers run 24/7 automatically with simple operation. A one-person signage factory is achievable.